Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about dynamic routings. So, how to create dynamic route and how to send the data dynamically from the parent component and how we can fetch the data from the dynamic route in our current component that we'll see in this video. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here, first, let me talk about nested route. So already I have created a nested route. Inside my app, we have products, and inside my products, we have product details, and we have a product.js. Now, what I want to do is which product user has clicked. So let me go into the page.js. And here we have hard coded this content. Instead, what I'll do is I'll create some products. Const products list is equal to, I'll just create an normal array with some set of products here. And instead of hard coding this link, what I'll do is I'll use some looping strategies. So like dot map, and inside this map, I'll get the item, and I'll just return this particular link. So I'll just use this link for returning purpose. Cut this, put it over here. And now let me use this link as a dynamic link. So I have a product details. If I want to get that product details data, instead of using this product details alone, what I'll do is I'll just use a dynamic value. So what I'll do, product slash something will be treated as my product details page. So here what I'll do is I'll just create a dynamic value, and for using the dynamic value, either you can concatenate or you can use template strings. So I'm using the template strings over here, dollar item. So my item will be 1, and that should be displayed here as well. So I can use item and save this. And now we got some errors. Let's see what's the problem. And NBSP is not defined. So it is treating this as a string. So what I'll do is I'll just return this inside the flower base. Let me cut this and put it over here, and let me return this, and let me use semicolon and save this. Now, yep, successfully done, and it is still showing some error. Let me refresh this. Still showing some error. Let's go back, and let me remove this and NBSP and save this. Let's see the output. Okay, we got the output, and we no need this dollar. Instead, I can use a dynamic value directly and save. And you got all the values. So what I can do is I will just create like a div and hit enter. Let me return div value so that it will be in a sequence line. So product 1, product 2, product 3. When the user clicks on this, it has to go into the product details page with 1 as a dynamic value. Let me click on this. Now you can see it went, but it is giving 404. Why? Because that route is not configured. We have created a static route, that is product details, but what I want to do is I want to change this into a dynamic value. So whenever you want to change this to a dynamic, you can use something like this, product hyphen details. You can give the same name but within the array symbol. So now these will be a dynamic value. Let me go here, and you can see product details page, which is changed on the route, and that is how we are able to see the page. So let me click this and click on the 2, it is navigating properly. Let me click on 3, it is navigating properly. So absolutely fine. Now what we want to do here, the thing is we are able to send the data from our parent component, that is the source, but how to receive in the current component, that means actual component. So I want to show where it came from. So let me go into page.js. By default, Next.js will send some set of props. Just let me show you how these props will be rendering. So let me go into props, save this, and you can see it is undefined because these props will have a params. You can see either in two ways, that is by direct value without destructuring. Save this, and you can see a params on the route, and you can see search params. So we'll talk about search params later. So first we'll target on the props. So props dot params dot product details, but product details is having a hyphen. So what I can do is I can use product hyphen details and save this. Now go to the browser. You can see the value is 3, and you can see the value is 3. As this is a server side component, you are able to see the logs in the terminal, not in the browser. So I can use this value to showcase which one has been rendered, product one details or two details or three details page. You can see product 3. Let me go here, click this product 2, go here, click this product 1. But if you observe, we are able to render this by going into a specific link. That means if I want to go for 4, I have to click on products and click on 3. Then you have to go with 5 and again go back to products, go with 2. That means every time you need to go back and see the output. Instead of doing that, once I reach these products, I want to see this, and below this, I want to see whatever I have clicked. That means if I click on product 1, the product 1 page should be shown in the below. Product 2, that should be shown in the below. Product 3, that should be shown in the below. I should not go back and come forward. So that's how you have to configure. That means I want to make this as a separate layout, which should be visible only when I go into the products, not into the about. So how we can do that? That means we can do that by using a sub layout. That means specific to that particular route, I can create my own layout and that layout will be rendered. So this is something like nested layouts. So how we can achieve that, we'll see in the upcoming video. That's it for this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.